Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about y equals to s sine t square, because if I put this one gone here, we got s minus s sine t square, s and s we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dy. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. Dy we change for this one. So we can do about factorization by s. So s and s we simplified. 1 minus sine t square, that is about cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, that is about cosine t. And now we simplify cosine t. So the integration of sine t, that is about negative cosine t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. Later that we put the square root for the both sides, and we got the square root of y over s equal to sine t, and we can find the value of t, that is about arcsine of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.